So this is how it looked from the outside. This is my original door handle with the lock here. So I'm going to change it now. So once I remove this screw, I can push this up. It takes some time to push it up. Okay. So this is the new one and this is the old one. So I have a lot of this distance that I have to move the new lock. So just now I show you my previous lock is quite long. So I have extended to 2 cm now, and I have tightened it. I removed the casing for now. Just want to make sure. So I got a little bit tiny of space here because we have this door handle that is joined together like this. Then this is at the back, which I have put another extension because I will have another cover here, which I'll show you later. And took me a while to wiggle it in and then to match it up, and then I put on the screw now. So now it's ready to go. Now I have also tightened the back knob here. So it said that on the back knob, no matter how you don't need key, so you just need to turn it in order to open it. So you can hear that it's open. So let's lock it back. Okay, so this door is locked now. So it's unlocked, so I'm just gonna turn it. Okay. So once I turn it, I can unlock my door. Okay, it's slightly tight here, but it still works. If I turn it this way, it still works.